In a busy lesson, it is often useful to get instant feedback from the class. This can be something as simple as checking everyone understands what is required of them before proceeding. Sometimes students are reluctant to ask the teacher for help because of fear of being ridiculed by classmates. Both Sanako Study 700 and Sanako Study 1200 have the useful live class feedback feature. This is based upon a traditional traffic light system for selection. It is also often known as class voting for some subject areas. This simple yet effective feature allows the teacher to gauge the status of the class before moving on. To use this feature, simply click on the live feedback icon. You will notice a set of traffic lights have appeared with tooltips. Every student recorder in the class will look the same and have this feature. Then simply ask a question and the students can select an answer accordingly. Yellow, I am confused. We can see now the class is confused. Alternatively, I am lost. In this video, I only have one student connected. Therefore, the selection will always be 100%.